Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I just decided to do a little impromptu ride along, and it's going to be with this one, Camaro Homme, and this one is by Pandora Sense, and it's a clone. It smells like Dior Homme Intense. So I'm just going to be running around a little bit and outside a little bit. I just want to see how it performs because Dior Homme Intense, even though it's a great fragrance, it doesn't have like a really good projecting. So I want to see how this works for me. Like I said, I'm gonna be out and about, and I'm gonna be out and outside. So I want to see how it works in the nature. So right now it is 3:04, and if you can see, it's saying it's 63 degrees. I don't know if that's coming in clear, but that's what we're gonna go with. All right. So, and I say it's 3:04. Okay, and it's 3:04 in the afternoon, not in the morning. Obviously, it's a little sunny outside, but the sun should be going down soon, and it's not too humid outside. But I'll talk a little bit more about that in a little bit. All right, roll with me. Let's do this ride along. Hey, what's going on, folks? I am doing a check-in. I'm doing like a little hike right now, and as you can see, I ended up putting a jacket on, so obviously the fragrance is going to be a little muffled right now. And it smells still good. It's not projecting, it's not jumping on my skin a lot, but when I was in the car, it was kind of overwhelming, filling the car up a lot, and probably because I oversprayed a little bit. So right now it is 3:40. Yeah, 3:40, and let's see, what's the temperature? The temperature right now is 63 degrees, but I am in a shaded area, so it's a little bit cooler than it probably would be if it was regular 63 degrees. So take that with a grain of salt. All right, so I'll check back in a little bit. Didn't realize we had bamboo around here. That's pretty cool. It's like a whole bamboo garden. Folks, I am doing a check-in right now. It is 5:02. I don't know if that's going to come in. 5:02, and the temperature is 60 degrees. I had to come out of the jacket. I got a little warm on the trail, but the fragrance is it's like a really small scent bubble. It's kind of close to the skin, but it smells good. It's still on my skin, but it's really close. Like if I walk past someone, they may smell it, but it's not like it's going to be like jumping off and grabbing anybody's attention, especially since I had the jacket on most of the trail anyway. So nobody probably smelled me. I didn't get any head turns or anything like that. So for right now, still doing good, and I appreciate it. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. So that's it for right now, and I will check back in a little bit. Hey, all right, I'm back in house, and I'm just gonna do a quick little review. Well, not review, but update. I let this run a little bit more because it's still, the fragrance is still good. It feels like it's close to the skin, but when I'm moving around, I catch whiffs of it, and I'm not sure if it's coming off the shirt because I did spray my shirt, or if it's coming off my skin. On my skin, it feels a little bit light, and on the shirt, a little bit stronger on the shirt. It smells like it's more so like still in the opening. So on the skin, it smells like it's closer to the dry down. But right now, it is 7:26. Yeah, 7:26, and it's 55 degrees now. I don't know if that's coming up, but I'm inside now, so the temperature doesn't really matter. All right, keep rolling with me, and I'll do another checkup in a little bit. Check in a little bit. All right. Hey, just jumping in real quick. This is Will from the future, and this is the shirt on that I had on during that ride along, and it still smells like, oh man, still smells like it. It smells so good, and it's not like it's projecting, but I still smell the smell on it. And if this was laying on the bed and the door was closed and into a closed area, it probably would smell up the room. So it's a long lasting fragrance on cloth, but on the skin, it does go through the motions of going through the beginning, the opening, the middle, and the dry down. And then eventually it kind of dries out a little bit. But on clothes, long lasting. All right, back to the video. All right. Time to wrap this up. So, man, this fragrance lasts a little bit better than what I was thinking. I wore it a couple of times, but I never really paid attention to how well it performed or if it did perform, because I usually wore it in the times that you normally would be wearing it. You wear this fragrance in the times where you're going to be, it's a date scent. It's not really a scent that, you can wear it anytime you want to, but most of the time you're going to be wearing this when you're going on a date, or you're maybe Netflix and chill. You're going to be hanging out with somebody close quarters. You're going to be close with them. It's not necessarily, not that you can't, but it's not necessarily a scent that you would just wear to work and just, wear it all day. But you could, because actually lasts pretty long, pretty good today. Right now it is 9:34, and the temperature now is 46 degrees. Not that that matters, because I'm inside now and it's a controlled environment. So it's not like the temperature is making a difference with how the fragrance is performing. Right now it's still really close to the skin. It's gotten even closer to the skin. Like, I don't smell it now when I move my hands. And also I was testing some fragrances, and some of the fragrances got on my fingers. So I had to wash my hands real good to get rid of maybe too much information, but I still can smell it slightly coming off my skin. It's not strong at all. If someone was laying on me, they would probably be able to smell it. On my shirt, it's still it's still really strong with the iris. It's like almost smells like the opening. It's not projecting that much, but that's the smell that is still smells like it's opening. All right, so Camaro Homme Intense. Let's jump right into the notes. So for these notes for Camaro Homme Intense, obviously I've said it's a clone of Dior Homme Intense, the original version, the 2007 version, not this new version that came out now. It's not a fresh kind of scent. It's heavy on the iris. So the top notes is just lavender. Then the middle notes is the middle notes is iris, ambret, and pear. And then in the base notes we have cedar and vetiver. I've never really picked up any of the vetiver, unless it's a fresh kind of vetiver, like the vetiver from the Tom Ford's gray vetiver. Maybe slightly that, and the cedar. I don't really pick that up. I don't pick up any of the spiciness from that woods. All I really pick up is the Irish, the lavender is fresh, the ambret, and the pear. The base notes, I really don't. I'm not picking up anything of the base. Maybe a slight woody note, maybe, but it doesn't come off like a cedar wood. It comes off more like a blonde wood. So yeah, it's been good. It's been pretty good. I think I started like around 3:30 or something like that, and for it to be 9:30 now, that's not too bad for this type of scent. It's not a bad run. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me doing a ride along with this one, Pandora Sense Camaro Homme Intense. This is a good one. I got it a while back, but yeah, this is really nice. This is really nice. Wow. Anyway, till next time. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.